Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Spirit. I am so moody, attitudey today. I'm having women's time of the month, so I'm a little bit like, don't feel like doing anything, but I'm gonna try these like Coi Leray braids out in my hair. This is not a style I would recommend because I'm probably gonna use more product at the roots than I normally would, but I'm going swimming next week, which means I'm gonna be washing my hair anyways. So I'm gonna do this style, like now's the perfect time to do the style. I just finished washing my hair and now I'm gonna style my hair. So if you've never seen like the Coi Leray style braids, it's like when they have the hair like in the perfect little parts and stuff. And the braids are usually skinny, but mine are gonna be a little thicker today. And then I'm gonna try to make some little curly ends with them. So I'm kind of excited because I've been thinking about this for the past couple of weeks. Right now this is a rose water mix that I'm putting on my hair. Yes, we are still boycotting my old company, but I've been saving my coins, so I'm gonna be relaunching the business soon. And I'm gonna have more products than before, so yeah. That's Coi Leray if you don't know who she is. I'm gonna put a little oil on my scalp. I don't oil my scalp that much, but I always oil it when I wash my hair because oil is a sealant, not a moisturizer, aka it's gonna seal in this juicy goodness that I got from washing and conditioning my hair. And I wanted to seal that in the whole time. I've never really suffered too much from dry scalp, so amen to that. Okay. Now this style is good. I think if you don't have a fresh retwist, because I wanted to make it look like I have sections of hair rather than locks at the top. Okay, so I'm going to section off each part first and then go back and braid them. So I'm going to use rubber bands, Lion Locs moisturizer, and then the Super Grow Tight Hold retwisting cream. My goal is that each section has about 6 to 8 locks so that it's medium size, not too big, not too small, and I want them to look super slick like the girls be looking. So that's why I said it's going to use more product than I would normally use in my hair. But the Lion Locs is to give it a little bit of moisture, and then the Super Grow Gel is to make it look super shiny and be able to last for about a week is what I'm hoping. So I'm going to go through and section all of my head and show you that. So to start the Coi Leray look, I'm going to use the rubber band and put that in the section of the hair, trying to make it look as slick as possible. And then after pulling the hair through about 2 to 3 times, I'm going to give it a little squeeze to make sure that the braids are tight. So the goal of this look is for it to look super tight without actually being super tight. So even though I'm putting rubber bands in my hair, I'm making sure that I moisturize the hair and then use the Super Grow to create an illusion effect without actually pulling on my hair too tight, because when you pull on your hair, you create tension, and when you have that tension, it can lead to breakage. So if you're gonna try this look for yourself, make sure you're gentle with your rubber bands. I pull them through 3 times max, and I'm making sure that my hair just still feels good at the end of the day. And right now, it feels good. So I'm gonna show you this last one and then show you the result afterwards. Okay, this is what I have so far. I have like 1, 2 on top of each other each way. Now in the back, I can't see what I'm doing, girl. And I'm gonna be honest, I ain't about to pull out a mirror like I care. I just know that I'm grabbing groups of 6, especially since I don't have any type of like super straight parting pattern. So I'm just back here just grabbing along and feeling like Aaliyah a little bit. And then I'm gonna braid them up. Okay, the ponies are in all around. So now I'm gonna braid them and then leave a little space to have some curls, okay? I'm just doing a little pulling so it can be a little tighter. So when braiding the hair, you want to make sure that you braid it really neat and precise so that it looks cute and professional, like a braider did it, even though it's just you. And braid it about 75% of the way down, and then you're going to cap it off with a rubber band. And you want to make sure you leave enough space for the hair to wrap around the roller a couple times so that you can have some cute little curls at the end. Okay, so I have all the braids in. I'm gonna let you guys see the back. I have not seen the back. I'm gonna see it with you. And they have the little scraggly ends. So then now what I'm gonna do is get a little mousse caboose, and curl the locks around so that they have curly ends. And I'm so excited because I already just love this new look. It's a protective style, and it's a style that I just was looking and wanting for myself. And I'm gonna get what I want. Okay, so now it's time to curl the ends of the hair. What I'm gonna do is spray them, get them a little damp so that they hold the curl well overnight. And I'm gonna add just a smidge of mousse. And what I'm gonna use to curl them are these like extra small and small little rollers. I'm thinking I can put 2 locks on each one. So we'll just see how that goes. And I'm gonna go to bed with this. So it's gonna be a tough night tonight of me trying to sleep comfortably, but I'm super duper excited to think about what the potential results would be. So I'm just gonna start at the bottom, like so. Roll it up. Oh, hold on. Always put the end a little bit in, like curl the end inwards a little bit. Then when the hair rolls around, it'll wrap up onto it. And like I have a little small piece of lock that is still out. Oh. God, I hate when that happens. Oh gosh. That's why these are annoying, but whatever. I'm just gonna use another one. So I had to do 3 rollers for each one. So each ponytail has 6 locks, and then I did 2 locks on each roller. So I'm excited, but it feels really cute. I think it's gonna come out really well. So what I'm gonna do now is just take a little bit of this mousse, boop-a-doop, and spray that over to just kind of keep the frizz at bay. And what a smart person would do is tie their hair down, and we're smart over here, girls, right? Yeah, that's right. And so I'm gonna tie my hair down, and I'll be back tomorrow to show you the results. If you wanted faster results, you could definitely sit under a dryer. I don't have a hooded dryer with me, so I'm gonna have to go with the long route, which is air drying overnight. All right, y'all be blessed, and I'll see you in a couple hours. Hey y'all, okay, so welcome back. I wanted to show you my outfit. I'm just kidding. I wanted to show you how I preserved this hairstyle overnight. So first, I'm just gonna take it out and you're gonna see. So here's the bonnet. So I kind of pushed all of the braids back because the main goal for this hairstyle was to keep the ponytail slick and flat. So So I tied them down with a big scarf first, and then kind of swoop them back like this, because I knew the braids weren't gonna like get messed up. It was just more so this part right here. So now I'm going to start removing some of the rollers and hope for the best. Okay. Okay, so this is what the first one looks like, and just gonna separate them. Okay, like, is it giving Coi Leray Braids or nah? Cause it's definitely giving that to me. Okay, girl, another style. Down, I'm gonna take these all out. Do my makeup and edges. These look so, I'm so happy, OMG. Okay, I'm gonna take these out, do my edges, do my makeup, show you girls the final result, cause you know we got to give a look. Bye. Hey y'all, okay, I'm in a rush a little bit, but this is the final look. I'm in love. I feel so cute. I love my hair. And thank you guys for watching. And tag me if you make this on your page or try this on your hair. Mwah. Spirit loves beauty and Spirit loves you. I love you. And thanks for being a part of my channel. Bye.